Welcome. Right now, deep inside every single one of your cells, there's this unsung hero working tirelessly to keep you going. In this explainer, we're going to pull back the curtain on this essential but often overlooked helper. So let's start with a little mystery. There's a nutrient you eat with almost every meal, but it's so common it's practically invisible. So you ready to solve this thing? Okay, let's dive right in. The hero of our story is vitamin B5, but you're about to see why its other name is way more descriptive, and honestly, just a lot cooler. And there it is, pantothenic acid. The clue to its superpower is hiding in plain sight, right there in the name. Pantothen is Greek for from everywhere. And believe me, that is no exaggeration. This vitamin is one of the most widespread nutrients on the entire planet. Yeah, this is a truly fundamental building block of life. The word essential just means your body can't make it itself. You have to get it from your food. The good news? Its name tells you that your body has a steady, reliable supply. Okay, so if this vitamin is literally everywhere, what's its big mission inside of us? It's not just floating around, it's busy building something absolutely critical for your survival. Its whole purpose is to be the starting ingredient for this molecule, coenzyme A. And a coenzyme is pretty much what it sounds like, a helper. It's a tiny molecule that helps the main enzymes in your body do their jobs, kind of like a specialized tool for a master craftsman. I love this analogy. If you think of your cells as these tiny factories, coenzyme A is the factory manager, and it's in charge of the most important job there is, turning the raw materials, which is your food, into the energy that powers everything you do. So how does your body take this simple little vitamin and transform it into that powerhouse of an energy manager? It's a pretty fascinating bit of chemistry that's happening inside you, like all the time. It's actually a really elegant and super straightforward process. Your body grabs the vitamin B5 from your food, hooks it up with a couple of other molecules, and boom, you've got coenzyme A ready to get to work. And this is where all the action happens. Coenzyme A heads over to the power plant of the cell, in a process scientists call the Citric Acid Cycle. Just think of it as the main engine room, where all the chemical energy locked inside your food gets turned into usable power for your body. So, here's the bottom line. CoA is the universal key. It doesn't just work on one type of food. It's the thing that unlocks the energy from the carbs, the fats, and the proteins you eat. Without it, your food would just be, well, food. Not the fuel you need for your thoughts, your heartbeat, or your muscles. All right, now for the easy part. And trust me, it is easy. Given its name, you can probably guess that finding vitamin B5 in your diet isn't exactly a huge challenge. I mean, you'll find it in meats, dairy, and eggs. It's packed into vegetables like avocados and potatoes. It's in whole grains, sunflower seeds, even mushrooms. It seriously lives up to its from everywhere name. And this right here explains exactly why you've probably never heard of anyone having a vitamin B5 deficiency. Unless someone is dealing with severe malnutrition, it's pretty much impossible not to get enough from a regular, varied diet. So if we're all getting it, how much do we actually need? Let's take a quick look at what the official recommendations are. The daily requirements are actually surprisingly small. We're only talking about a few milligrams, a really tiny amount for such a critical, nonstop job. Just 5 milligrams for most adults. To put that in perspective, that is thousands of times less than a single teaspoon. That tiny amount is all it takes to keep your cellular energy production running smoothly day in and day out. How wild is that? Now, you've probably seen those high-dose B5 supplements on the shelf, right? Well, here's the deal. The science shows that for most of us, more doesn't equal better. Your body's incredibly efficient. It takes what it needs, and since B5 is water-soluble, any extra just gets safely flushed right out. Oh, and just a quick point of clarification. Vitamin B5, which is pantothenic acid, is not the same thing as a supplement you might see called panthothine. They're related, sure, but they have different structures, and the body uses them for very different things. So, what's the big takeaway here? Vitamin B5 is the quiet hero. It's not flashy, but it is absolutely essential, working 24/7 behind the scenes to power every single one of your cells. It's really the definition of a fundamental nutrient. It's pretty incredible when you stop to think about it. A microscopic amount of something found in almost all our food is what powers our thoughts, our movements, and life itself. It really makes you wonder, what other unsung heroes are at work inside us right this second?